Hello everyone, for today's tutorial I did a smoky eye. If you like this look, please keep on watching and like and subscribe and comment down below. For this tutorial I'll be using the Alamar palette. For transition I'll be using Trópico, and I am using a Wet n Wild crease brush. The second color I'll be using is called Guantanamera, and I am using a Vintage Cosmetics Step 1 for the money brush. The next shade I'll be using is called Cafécito. The next brush I'll be using is e.l.f. smudge brush, and I'm going to be reapplying Trópico on the crease. For the liner, I'll be using Jungle Blue Charcoal. Smoke out the liner, I'll be using an e.l.f. small smudge brush. The lashes, I'll be using the Battingtonbeauty 3D lashes. For primer, I'll be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer. For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline NewYork Superstay Matte in the shade Classic Ivory. The brush I am using is from Luxie, and it's the number 660 Precision Foundation brush. For concealer, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I am using a silicone sponge to blend out the concealer. I'm not sure if it's Real Techniques, but I bought it in Walmart. To set my face, I'll be using the Airspray in Naturally Natural. The brush I am using is also from Luxie. It's the number 516 Dual Fiber Powder brush. To contour my face, I'll be using the Pure Sculpture palette, and I'm using the color Inventor. For bronzer, I'll be using the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. Now I'm going to be applying Trópico under my lash line. For blush, I'm going to be using the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush Hush Blush. Contour my nose, I am using an e.l.f. small precision brush. For highlight, I'll be using the Pure Sculptor palette and I'll be using the shade Originator. The brush I am using is Luxie and the number is 522 tapered highlighter brush. The shade I'll be applying is called La Costa and I'll be applying it in my inner corner. To highlight under my eyebrow, I'll be using Trailblazer from the Pure Sculptor palette. For the lips, I'll be using Girl Lactic in the shade Blossom. As for mascara, I'll be using the Butter London Double Decker Lash Mascara. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed, and please like and subscribe and maybe comment down below what your thoughts were about this tutorial, and thanks for watching.